are proudly presenting some masterful cakes made by a Turkish pastry chef. Her name is Tuğba Gekil. She's been involved in baking for about 20 years and won many awards and competitions. She made history by winning 4 gold medals at the IKA Olympics, which was held in Germany. She also has both a bakery and a baking academy of her own called the Red Rose Cake. Her realistic cakes are incredible. Some of her creations got viral all around the world, and netizens were declaring as everything is cake because practically she can turn everything into a cake. There is nothing she can't master, like everyday characters, items, food, etc. Nothing is impossible for Tuğba. Her hyper-realistic cakes are in fact really delicious too. She specializes in making tasty desserts. Hand sanitizer? Nope, it's a cake. And this is not even hard to make for Tuğba. She is simply awesome. If she wouldn't cut her cakes at the end of each video, we wouldn't even notice there are actual cakes. Oh cool, a swim ring by the pool. Wait, that's a cake! Say no to smoking and yes to the cake. Steak, anyone? Nope, cake is better. Are you amazed yet? 'Cause yes, we are. All of her creations are jaw-dropping for real. Her talent of turning everything into edible masterpieces has earned her the followers from all around the world. We will never get enough of your brilliant cakes, Tuğba, so keep up with the amazing work.